Christmas and a Happy New Year.
As you can tell, this is quite a project. It may take a
I
while.
have a red flannel.
Do you? Nice.
Okay, so this is a historic ornament. Can you see it? So this is our very first ornament, very first Christmas together.
Ever.
Our Christmas together in 1999. This is our first house when we bought this house that we live in now.
It says the wedges
The
right
wedges,
there.
our
That's the
new
wedges.
house, 2005. That is when we moved into our new apartment in 2002. And this was when we were expecting
Pregnant.
Isaac. Does he look festive? Wait, does he look festive? Come on.
Hey, come here.
Isaac, come here. Come here.
Come here.
Please. We lit
Come here.
Christmas tree. Come
I
on.
need to take a picture. Come on.
Okay. Where's your hat?
It's over there.
Put your hat on. It's
Fuzzy.
Merry Christmas. Put the hat on. Okay. Everybody wants to see you with the hat. Put the hat on right. Okay. Okay. Come on. Put your hat on. Okay. So we're gonna put. Okay. You ready? I think you can have Obama. Obama. Okay. Can I just take that? Come on, please. Okay. Alright.
Hey, Keith. Hey, Keith. Keith. Hey, Keith.
Okay, we're done. We are done.
Offer entertainment is done.
No, we need to take the
I'm not
people want to see us.
kids. Big rockers. No.
So we're going to take the picture
It's
with the
Christmas.
Bible.
Happy Christmas, kids. We're going to traumatize you for life.
He's not traumatized. We have our outfits, the matching outfits. Okay. Please, can we take a fun family Christmas picture for
I know.
Wait, hey, do you want a popsicle? Do you want a popsicle?
Okay,
Put that on
take
there.
one
And cheese.
No! Okay, wait, you want a popsicle? You want a popsicle? I just want a Christmas picture, so we can put on the Christmas card. That's not funny. This is my not funny face. What are you doing? Okay. Well, Frank, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, here's the card. Why don't we just take a picture of that on the card, right there. Merry Evan
This would be dead sexy. Put it right across my
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own